Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar, Bryce Savage, the man behind Netflix as well. This song is called Fireflies in the Night Sky. Alright, so a cool song here, a lot of bass going on here. We're gonna look at one melody, one lick there, but also combine that with a cool string pattern. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this, alright? So we have three different chords we need to handle. The first one will be the G sharp minor. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 4th fret over all strings, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We have the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the F sharp. So that's a bar chord. That's again on the 2nd fret this time. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. So G minor, E, and F sharp. G sharp minor, E, and F sharp. All right, let's take a look at this melody first. We're gonna go chord by chord. It starts with G sharp minor, and I can just mention the chord progression here will be G sharp, E, F sharp, and back to E. And that's what's going on here in the song. So the G sharp minor here, I suggest you hold this grip. So one finger on the 4th fret E string, I'm holding my ring finger there, and one finger on the 2nd fret A string, I'm holding my index. So this is my grip. You're gonna play. So you're alternating these two notes. You're gonna play 4th E, 2nd A, 4th E, 2nd A 2 times, 4th E, 2nd A 2 times. That's it. So then I suggest you go over to this grip here with these fingers. Your middle finger on the 2nd fret A and your index on 1st fret D. You're gonna play this part. Oh, sorry. There you have it. All right. So that will be open E, 2nd A, back to open E, then 2nd A 2 times, then open E, and then 1st D and 2nd A. Then over to the F sharp based melody here. I suggest you go over to this grip. That will be 2nd on E string with the middle finger and 2nd on A string with your ring finger. And I'm playing like this. All right. So that will be 2nd on E, 2nd A, 2nd E, then 2 times on 2nd A, then 2nd E, 2nd A, and 2nd E. That's the F sharp part. And then you go over to E and play the exact same melody there. So, and that's the end of the melody round there. So slowly it goes like this. Right, so speed up just a notch and then you have that melody. Now let's take a look at the string pattern, and this one is divided into 2 different parts. So we're going to look at the transition here from the G sharp minor to E, and then you just apply the same principle here for the next 2 chords, the F sharp back to E. So one string around covers 2 chords, of course. So the first part and second part over 2 chords sounds like this. Very similar here, these 2 parts. You're gonna start with G sharp, okay? So the first part will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Then you make a short pause there and you move to the next chord, in this case the E, and you play very similar. You just take away the first down there in the strumming we just learned and play the rest. So that will be up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that pause in between these two parts eats up that down, so that you're just gonna skip there. So the first part was down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, and then comes up, down, clap, up, down, up. So slowly. And then apply the same principle like I said before. F sharp, you're gonna play in the same way as your G sharp. And the E, you're gonna play in the same way as the previous E. So 2 rounds of that chord progression with the strumming goes. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Bryce Savage, Fireflies, and the Night Sky. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. And if you did, support me here on Gordon Guitar, give me a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Until next time, play tuned.